Hello. Welcome to Sunny Blooms. How can I help you today?
Hi, I want to buy flowers for my girlfriend's birthday. But, honestly, I'm not sure if I should get a basket of flowers or a bouquet.
For a birthday, I'd recommend a bouquet. It's easier to carry and it looks very special.
That sounds good.
Do you know her favorite flowers?
Yes, she likes tulips, sunflowers, roses, daffodils, lilies, daisies. Oh, and marigolds too.
Great choices. How about a bouquet with red roses and white daisies? Red roses are a symbol of love, and daisies are a symbol of happiness. Together, they're perfect for a romantic birthday.
Wow, that's perfect.
Now, what size would you like? Big and fancy or small and simple?
I think a simple, small bouquet would appeal to her taste. She doesn't like things too flashy.
Excellent. Come with me to the other side of the shop. And we'll choose a wrapping paper. We have gold, silver, pastel blue, candy pink, and many others. Which one do you like?
Candy pink, please. She loves pink.
Lovely choice. Would you like to add a card?
Yes, please. Oh, this one looks nice. With flowers, hearts, and happy birthday on it.
Perfect. Why don't you write a message on the back? Then, I'll attach it to the bouquet.
Okay.
Beautiful words. Here is your bouquet. I hope she loves it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a happy day. And wish your girlfriend a very happy birthday from us too.
I will. Bye. Great job watching the conversation. Don't worry if you didn't understand every single word. That's completely normal. The most important thing is to understand the general meaning. Now, let's practice some useful English words and phrases you learned. What is her job? Correct. She is a florist. What do we call a bunch of flowers tied together with paper or ribbon? Well done. A bouquet. Which one is flashy? Yes. The big, colorful one is flashy. Match the flowers with their names. Good job. What color is this wrapping paper? You're right. It's gold. The florist, the card to the flowers. Bravo. Attached. Wow, what a day. I got the perfect bouquet for my girlfriend's birthday, thanks to the kind florist, and thanks to you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and learned some new words and phrases. Remember, don't just watch once. Go back, pause, guess the meaning of new words, and most importantly, try shadowing both roles out loud. Alright, my friends, that's all for today. See you in the next video. And until then, keep practicing and keep smiling.